Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be something a little different. I recently signed up for Boxycharm, which is a monthly beauty subscription, because I had actually seen their palette collaboration with Pure Cosmetics last month, and I really wanted this palette, but I didn't want to pay the full price. And with Boxycharm, you pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size or deluxe beauty products, which is really I think good for the money and the value that you're paying. Typically with a lot of beauty subscription boxes, you pay anywhere from $10 to $20+ and a lot of times you get really small sample sizes. And I actually hate sample sizes. They just take up too much. They start like taking over my apartment. And I feel like if you're paying money, I'd want something more substantial. And with Boxycharm, you do get, like I mentioned, full size or deluxe size products, which is really good. And oftentimes you'll get a palette, which I think is really exciting. And again, if you're paying $21, it's not a bad deal. So this month's Boxycharm was very, very exciting. I was watching or I was paying attention to the sneak peeks on their Instagram, where they tend to release like 1 or 2 items. I think by now all of the items are out because the boxes have been delivered. But they tend to do little sneak peeks, and I saw that everyone was going to be getting a ColourPop palette. The type of palette kind of differs. So the products that I'm getting in my Boxycharm, you might not be getting in yours. But I like that. It's like an element of surprise a little bit. I was really nervous to see if I'd be getting something that I already own, but in that event, I would have just done a giveaway for you guys, or I would have just given it to one of my friends. So let's just jump right into the unboxing. I'm not even gonna lie, I went in. Obviously, I couldn't wait. But let's do a pretend unboxing, shall we? Okay, so when you open it up, you first get this little pamphlet, which has a theme for the month, which is eye candy, and then it has the product overview. So like I mentioned, the products that I get, you may not be getting, but you'll be getting something very similar, if that makes sense. So the first one, again, really exciting. This is the Tarte Pro Glow. This is a liquid highlighter. I don't think these are new. I feel like these have been around for a while, but there are 3 different shades. I got the shade Stunner, which looks to be quite light, but this retails for $29, so already that's more than what you're paying for all 4 products. And it says, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for a naturally lit luminosity. The next product is really exciting because it's new to me, and this is the Brow Gal. So this is the Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel. It's tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. Hell yeah, this definitely sounds like me. I am extremely lazy when it comes to my eyebrows. I don't even like filling them in. Half the time they look like trash. So I'm always interested in something similar to the Glossier Boy Brow, which is my holy grail because it just sort of fills in my brows but makes them look natural. I don't like the Instagram-y brow. This one has fibers in it, so hopefully it'll give the look of fullness and volume in a place where I don't have a lot, especially towards the tail. And this retails for $22. Next up, I have this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. Sign me up. So Dr. Brandt in general is a pricier skincare brand. You are getting 1 ounce, so 30 grams. This is great for traveling. I do like, oh God, what is it from them? I think it's like an exfoliant, micro exfoliant. It literally just sloughs off dead skin and your skin feels like new. It's like brand spanking baby fresh skin. This one you apply, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. It's supposed to feel really tightening. It's supposed to be sucking out all of the gunk on your face. I'm really excited to try this because my skin has been kind of less than stellar lately. So I want something to just help get all the gunk out. Like I feel it in my skin and I know shit's not well. So I'm really excited to try this. and this one retails for $47. The next product is by a brand I've never heard of. It is called Ades, I'm gonna say Ades, and it's the High Definition Liquid Lipstick. I did cheat and I applied this on my lips for a video I tried to film, and it was a little too light. I feel like I needed a brown lip liner, but I didn't have one handy, so I just layered on the some Maybelline liquid lipstick on top of it to get this really beautiful chocolate friendly nude. But this one isn't too bad. I just feel like I would need a lip liner underneath, because on my lips it turned very like almost milky pink, but when it's swatched it looks really beautiful. This is just a liquid lipstick, but it says luxurious creamy long wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of lipstick with the ease of wand applicator, blah 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 blah. And then last but certainly not least, and I think the thing that I was most excited about, is the ColourPop palette. This is the My Little Pony palette. I was really nervous that I'd get the Element of Surprise palette because I already have that one. I think there were 4 or 5 different palettes that people are going to be getting in their Boxycharm, and the My Little Pony palette is one of them. I'm so excited because I saw this online, but I wasn't going to get it because it's semi-gimmicky, but I love My Little Pony. But yeah, look at this, it's so fun. The ColourPop palettes retail for $16, I believe. Yeah, $16. And you get 12 shades. They're super creamy formula-wise. They are buildable. They're easy to blend. I really enjoy the ColourPop palettes. I think they're really good value for what you're paying. And ColourPop pressed eyeshadows are among some of my favorites, to be completely transparent. I think they're easy to blend. Like I mentioned, they're buildable, they're pigmented. These shades look a little terrifying because they're hella light for my deep skin, but I can't wait to get into this color right here called Twilight. But overall, it looks like just a fun festival season palette. Like, if I was hitting up Coachella, I'd probably check it out, or if I want to have a little bit more fun and be a little bit more playful with my makeup, I'd definitely go for this. But I think I just like the packaging a little bit. So I'm really happy that I got this. Yeah. Alright, so that's this month's Boxycharm. I hope to do these every month. Let me know if you guys find it interesting. If you guys sign up for Boxycharm, tell me what you guys got in your April box, and leave a comment below, subscribe, turn on notifications, that whole shebang. And thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!